Aamir Liaquat Hussain is a Pakistani politician, columnist, television host and comedian. Amir is a timetop-ranking TV anchor and has been listed 3 times in the 500 influential Muslims worldwide and among 100 popular personalities of Pakistan. He has criticized on media numerous times due to his different controversial comments about superstars. He has been member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. Previously, he was a member of the National Assembly from 2002 to 2007 and served as the Minister of State for Religious Affairs from 2004 to 2007 in the federal cabinet of Prime Minister Shaukat Aziz. Hussain was born on 5 July 1971 in Karachi to politician Sheikh Liaquat Hussain and columnist Mahmouda Sultana. In an interview, Hussain said he received his Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery degree from Liaquat Medical College Jamshoro in 1995 and Doctor of Philosophy and Islamic Studies in 2002 by a now-known degree mill, Trinity College and University. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.